know how to keep a silk press for a whole month. Twist styles make for the best curls, just IMO. I do the 3-strand every month, so I should know. Sometimes it feels like paint drying to watch it grow, but add a little bit of styling gel and watch it glow.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a natural hair tag created by KimberlyCherrell. What is my hair type? My hair type is 4A and 4B. When I first started my natural hair journey like 4 years ago, 4.5 years ago, my hair type was really tight and it was like really coily. So I want to say my hair type was like 4C when I first started, and I'll insert a clip here. Like I said, it changes over time. Like your hair is never going to stay the same. At least for me, my hair never stays the same. It always changes. Sometimes I have like a looser pattern around like the edge of my hairline, and in the middle is kind of tighter. So I don't know, it changes. Who is your current hair inspiration? My current hair inspiration right now is Just Creations. I love her. Like, she literally has the best natural hairstyles that you can do. Like, she does the coolest hairstyles. So that's my inspiration when it comes to like how I want to style my hair, and you know, different like protective hairstyles that I want to do. Also Nia Amani, that was one of my other ones that I really like. Before she did the big chop, even now I just really love her hair, and I just really love how like thick and long it gets. Like, her hair grows super fast. I love her styles, and yeah, that's my other one. Last but not least, Kimberly, the one who started this whole natural hair tag, because you know, we both have low porosity hair. So I really learned a lot from her about how to take care of my low porosity hair. Next, low porosity or high porosity. I have low porosity hair, bless my heart, and that just means that my hair is very difficult to absorb water, moisture, and products. So basically I gotta force it in, okay? I'll be in the shower like, this is me squeezing my hair like, oh wait, mop. But yeah, I have to like force everything into my hair. So I gotta do a lot to make it work. And not only on top of that, I have thick hair, so it takes a lot. Deep conditioners, would I prefer thick or slippery? My preference is definitely thick. I have very thick hair, so I don't need no slippery. I don't need that. This deep conditioner that I have right now is Bella Curl's Coconut Oil Deep Conditioning Mask. I'll show you guys the texture of it. It's a really thick texture, and that's basically what I prefer. Honey, my favorite deep conditioner is Aunt Jackie's Coconut Cream Deep Conditioner. Y'all, I'm gonna insert some clips right here. As y'all can see, my hair was like so juicy. It was just so voluptuous. I'm just like, oh my god. First of all, I didn't follow the steps. I like took out some braids, and this is what it was. Like, I took out my braids and I just put in a deep conditioner because I needed it. But look how juicy my hair is. Like, my hair is just so juicy. It's so full of life. It's so thick. And right now, as you can see, my takedown process, lovely. Like, it just, I don't know, I just love this. Like, it works so much and it lasts you a long time. It's a lot of product in there. So yeah, twist out or braid out. If you've been following me for a while, especially on my Instagram, everybody knows I am a go-to twist out person. When I first started my natural hair journey, I used to love doing braid outs, but right now twist outs are my thing. This right here is an old I want to say an old 5-day twist out. So as you can see, honey giving me life right now. Wash and go or rod set. I would say wash and go. I love a wash and go because, like I said, my hair always changes, so I love like just being able to just get up. Well, first of all, let's talk about how a wash and go really ain't a wash and go, okay? That is a scam. And when I started my hair journey and everybody was saying, oh yeah, wash and go, blah, 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 I'm like, all right, bet. You gotta get in the shower, wash your hair, and you done. No, sis. No. You gotta get in the shower, wash your hair, detangle it, condition it, get back out the shower. You gotta moisturize it even more. You gotta detangle it more. You gotta add gel. Okay, you gotta section it off into 4 sections. Air dry. Honey, that is not a wash and go. That is a wash it all day. Okay, that's like wash and you're doing your hair all day. Okay, that's one thing I didn't like about this whole little natural hair thing, was that was a scam, and I really thought I was going to be on some wash and go type stuff. So I don't like that. I don't like it. Shower or sink? First of all, I got too much hair to be trying to stick my head in somebody's sink. So I definitely would prefer the shower because it's just easier. I can detangle in the shower. I can do everything in the shower. I can wash my hair in the shower, detangle it. And I can also style my hair in the shower if need be. But I'm not doing my hair in nobody's sink. Not even my own. I got way too much hair. If I had a big, giant sink, maybe I'd try it. But like I said, no. Shower. Air dry or diffuse? Air dry. Ain't nobody got time to be trying to sit over here and diffuse and do all that stuff so it can dry. But granted, when you do diffuse your hair, it does dry the roots, okay? When you air dry it, it takes forever. Matter of fact, 5 ever. Your roots are not getting dry. So for me, like I said, having low porosity hair, it takes a very long time for my hair to dry as well too. So I don't even know why I picked air dry, because my hair don't dry. Like, my hair literally takes 2 to 3 business days to dry. But yeah, I would definitely say air dry regardless, because I'm just impatient. I'm very lazy, and when I'm doing my hair, I just need my hair to last me for a good 2 weeks. Okay, so if that means I gotta sleep a certain way so that I don't have to diffuse it or dry it, by all means, I'm gonna do it. So air dry. Plus, I love the volume and the frizz that I get when I air dry. So air dry is for me. Fleeky edges or leave them as they are. let's zoom in. As you can see, fleeky edges. Okay, it ain't that much, but it's something. I like it to look sleek. Now, granted, when I'm on like day 5 and my edges is getting a little bushy, they're a little fuzzy, y'all gonna get what y'all gonna get, okay? Unless you coming over and you coming to fix these edges for me, they gonna look how they look. But when I first styled my hair, I definitely put some effort into making sure my edges look good. But other than that, I don't really care for it. My all-time favorite edge control is Style Factor Edge Booster, and this was my first one that I ever bought that I wanted to try. And this one is the citrus scent, and this one smells like really good. This one is the most recent one that I bought, and this is blueberry. So as you can see, this one about gone. Okay, ain't nothing up in there. That's gone. And this one, I'm just getting started. The hold on this is really good. Like, I tried so many different edge controls. Like I said, my hair is very, very thick. So I needed something that was going to last me, and something that's definitely going to last me in the summer, because the edges are the first thing to go, okay? Them babies be running, okay? Ready to get out the door. I don't know. High bun or low bun? Girl, high bun, duh. That is my go-to style after I have like a twist out for at least a good 5 days. It gets big enough where all I have to do is literally just push it up and I'm done. Girl, my low buns, I have to literally section off into 3 sections. So if I'm doing like a side part, I have to section off this part, brush it down, hold it, section off the middle part, hold it, and then the side. Like, I literally have to do 3 sections just to put it in a small bun. And then my bun is never small. Like, I have like a whole, just imagine having all of this in the back and having to like find a way to smush it into a little nice neat ball. It don't work. I prefer the high bun just because it's easy and it's out my face, it's out the way. And I just like the volume of it. Like, I can keep like picking it out and make it bigger. But my low buns, like, they're cute. Like, they're nice and sleek if I want to do something, you know, something professional looking, but it takes way too much time and energy when I can just put it right on up. So I definitely prefer a high puff. Bantu knots or finger coils? Am I really natural? Because I have yet to try either or. People think that my hair would look really, really bomb if I did a Bantu knot. I don't got the time for it, because I already know I'm going to have to at least wear it for a good 2 days for it to get like that definition. Plus, I don't know how to do Bantu knots. So if I had to pick on which one I like seeing on other naturals, I really love seeing Bantu knots on naturals. I just like the curl pattern of a Bantu knot. Finger coils, I don't really like them. Well, I don't really like how they look. So deep conditioners or oils. Like I said, my hair is low porosity. Deep conditioners are my life. Only time I use an oil is if I'm sealing my hair. So for instance, say if I done a twist out and I'm done or whatever, or I'm trying to take it out, I'll put like oil on my hands and I'll take it out so that my hair doesn't get frizzy. Other than that, I don't really use oils like that because it just sits on my hair. It doesn't really do much. Protective styles in the summer or the winter. First of all, both of them, okay? I need my protective styles in the summer and the winter because I don't got time to be doing my hair every time, okay? I really don't. I really don't. Definitely say I would prefer the winter. This past winter I got knotless braids, and that was my first time getting a protective style in a really long time. In the summer I do like to do like more wash and goes, so I'm gonna say winter. I'm not gonna say both of them. I'm gonna say winter. Bonnet or scarf? Hold up. All right, everybody know I love my bonnet, okay? Nothing is better than a jumbo bonnet. Okay, look how big this is. Like, the band is elastic, so I don't gotta worry about it being all tight on my head. I don't know. I prefer bonnets, well, specifically my jumbo bonnet, because literally you can fit everything in this. Like, I have a lot of hair, so I don't got time to be doing like one scarf up here, another scarf to cover this up, I don't got the time. Like I said, I'm lazy. I like my stuff to be very quick and efficient. The bonnet does that, okay? Literally, I fit all my hairstyles in my bonnet, and that's it. Like, I don't do much. I have a lot of people ask me, oh, how do you sleep at night? Jumbo bonnet. Oh, but how do you wrap it up? Jumbo bonnet. That's it. I don't do anything but literally put my jumbo bonnet on and I go to bed. And I have like a silk pillowcase, but this doesn't come off. If I were to put this on right now, let me see, look at all this extra space in the back. Like, it's still room. Like, I hate to have any kind of I would hate to have any scarf that basically doesn't let my hair breathe. Like, I need my scarf to have room, which is why I prefer my jumbo bonnet, okay? And I got this at the beauty supply store, so definitely copy one because it's a lifesaver. Wide tooth comb or detangling brush? Detangling brush. This is my Denman brush, and this is my go-to baby. My go-to baby. T-shirt or a microfiber towel. Like I said, I'm very lazy, and once I found out like a little bit later into my natural hair journey, when you use a cotton t-shirt, it absorbs all the water and it doesn't, like, you know, mess up your hair. When I first started out, I was using a towel, and I didn't know that I was like harsh on my hair. Like, I just assumed it would soak up all the water and I'd be good. So once I learned about the t-shirt trick, never went back, honey. I don't need a microfiber towel, okay? I got t-shirts, I got pajama shirts that I use all the time when I get out the shower, and I'll scrunch my hair up, just like, you know, get like the excess water out my hair. Other than that, that's all you need is a t-shirt, okay? A t-shirt. Don't go out and buy all this random crap that you don't need for your natural hair. Like, literally keep it simple. All you need is a t-shirt. Everybody has one. And you're good. Gel versus no gel. Gel, okay? First of all, this right here is my baby, okay? As you can see, I got the biggest size there is, okay? This is a black castor and flaxseed oil. This one specifically is my favorite. When Eco Styler had like the gold gel, that was my favorite too. But right now, this is like my go-to. I still love the olive oil Eco Styler gel, but this right here is my favorite. Like, it does something to me. Like, it's This is just my baby, okay? It just makes all of my styles last longer, and it just makes it look more sleek, and it adds a lot more definition compared to if I didn't use a gel. So, gel. Length or health? I'm going to say health because technically you can't, if you're not taking proper care of your hair, you're not going to get the length. So if that means you sure you get rid of your split ends, taking care of hair, if that means like a protein treatment or a deep conditioner, all that kind of stuff, all that stuff adds up. And if you're not doing that, if you're not taking care of your hair, or if you don't know your hair type and you don't really know what you're supposed to be doing, then that's going to lead to you not getting the length that you want. Right now, my hair is a little bit past my bra strap length. Like, it's a little bit past bra strap length. So it took me a while to get here, but like I said, like, I take a lot of good care of my hair because this all I got. And I don't got time to be trying to lose my hair. Like, I'm young. I need this. Health matters the most because if you're taking care of your hair, then your hair will grow. So yeah, I'll say health. Side part or middle part? Let me get that side part. Won't you do me a side part? Honey, I love a side part, okay? Because this forehead ain't got time for these middle parts, okay? I don't need people to be normal. I love a side part just because, like, I don't know, it just adds a little flavor. I don't know, I just think like middle parts are kind of like basic. Last but not least, plastic bag or plastic cap. Girl, you already know, obviously, a plastic bag. Like, it's, everybody has it in their house. Everybody has a plastic bag. You can reuse your shopping bags. Anybody got time to be wasting money on a plastic cap when I can go downstairs in the kitchen and get me a plastic bag? I use my plastic bag, especially for my deep conditioning treatments. I will put it on my head, tie it up in the back. That's it. It's reusable. Okay, you're not wasting plastic bags. If I had to pick, I would definitely say plastic bag. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't what the yo. Okay, mush mouth. Don't. I'm gonna try again. Alright, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.